How to change mobile number in Emirates ID. If you wish to change your mobile number in Emirates ID, it's very simple to do so. First, in order to change your mobile number in Emirates ID, you must go to ICP Smart Services website. So I'll make sure to drop a link below. You can go ahead and then simply proceed to the ICP Smart Services website like it is shown in this particular picture. After you do that, you want to simply go ahead and enter the information requested by the form, which could be your current nationality, your identity number, the family book number, passport number, your name in English, date of birth, and email. And after you've done that, enter your Emirates ID and change the mobile number with the new one, right? So after you've done that, once you do so, you'll be able to go ahead and then enter your personal details in the form. And once you verify it, they will proceed to the payment of change mobile number fees. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then change mobile number in Emirates ID. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.